The real and imaginary part of the complex number 1 plus root I, where I equals root minus 1 are. Following are the options. Here we are asked to find the real as well as imaginary part of the complex number, that is 1 plus root I. So before that, let's write down the equation for root I. Root I will be equal to cos theta plus I into sin theta. So we know that for I in a unit circle, the angle will be 90 degree. So when it is root I, it will be 45 degree in case of a unit circle. Now let's substitute the value of theta with 45. Thus we get the answer as cos 45 degree plus I into sin 45 degree. So when we further solve it, cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2 and I into sin 45 is also 1 by root 2. So on adding both this, we get 1 plus I by root 2. Don't forget to put a plus or minus sign. Here it is a plus or minus sign, so don't forget to put that. So minus, here will be plus or minus 1 plus I by root 2. Now let's substitute this value into this complex number. Hence we will get 1 plus root I will be equal to 1 plus or minus 1 plus I by root 2. Here we are asked to find the real as well as imaginary part. Let this entire term be equal to z. Now when we expand this one, we get 1 plus or minus 1 by root 2 into 1 plus I. So we can write it in this form. So here we have to find both this positive as well as negative z value because it's given plus or minus. So for that, let first write z value as positive. So when z value is positive, we get 1 plus 1 by root 2 into 1 plus I, which on expanding we get 1 plus 1 by root 2 plus I by root 2. Here this is the real part and this one is the imaginary part, that is except this one is the imaginary part. Thus the real part is this 1 plus 1 by root 2 and the imaginary part is 1 by root 2. So let's check whether this one is provided in the option. So here we can find that option C is a correct one. So this is a type of question in which more than one answer can be correct one. So in the next exam, this question will be specifically mentioned that the answer can be more than one. So let's find out the value of z negative. So when z value is negative, we'll get the complex number as 1 minus 1 by root 2 into 1 plus I. So when we expand this, we get 1 minus 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 I. So this is the real part and this one is the imaginary part. Let's check whether which of the option is the correct one. So here it's given that 1 plus 1 by root 2, that is the real part, and the imaginary part is negative 1 by root 2. So option A and option C is the correct one.
If you like this video, do subscribe and click the bell button.